start off our technical categories is the award for Indie Movie Sound Engineer. And let's meet this list of nominees na nagbibigay ng dagdag tunog at buhay sa ating mga pelikula.
Indie Movies for Movie Sound Engineer of the Year. Ian Louis Caro, Family of Two. Albert Michael Idioma, Firefly. Albert Michael Idioma, Emilio Bien Sparks, and Janina Minglanilla, Gomburza. Emilio Bien Sparks and Michael Keanu Cruz, Rewind. Boom Subagonda, A Very Good Girl. Emmanuel Verona and Fatima Neri Casali, Malyari. Emmanuel Verona and Fatima Neri Casali, When I Met You in Tokyo. And the star goes to Emmanuel Verona and Fatima Neri Casali for Malyari.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Joel Cesar.
Both for the indies and mainstream, are some of the most interesting parts of movie making.
Tama ka dyan, Bianx. Kasi kumbaga sa ating mga artista, yan ang parang glam team ng pelikula, di ba?
Tama.
So, kasi they designed the entire look of the film, pati na rin ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga eksena. Lalo na when you look at the movies of 2023. Maraming nag-rewind to as far as the 1800s.
So we begin this segment with the awards for the Best Editors of the Year. Here are the outstanding indie movie editors.
For Indie Movie Editor of the Year, Isabel Benoga, Apag. Vanessa Ubas de Leon, In His Mother's Eyes. Janelle Gutierrez, Ang Duyan ng Magiting. Gilbert Obispo, Litrato. Zilla of Loda and Mark Loda, Pieta. Benjamin Tolentino, Itimapukpukaw. And Noah Tonga, Monday First Screening. And the star goes to Gilbert Obispo for Litrato.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Tini Basi.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang aking unang kauna-unahang Star Trophy. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat kay Direk Louie Ignacio sa pagtiwala sa akin at guidance sa pag-edit ng aming pelikula Litrato.
For Movie Editor of the Year, Benjo Ferrer, Firefly. Froilan Francia, When I Met You in Tokyo. Maria Ignacio, Rewind. Benjamin Tolentino, Gomburza. Noah Tonga, Malyari. Noah Tonga, Wish You Were the One. And Vanessa Ubas de Leon, Instant Daddy. And the star goes to Noah Tonga for Malyari.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Mercy Dejante.
The desired look of every single scene. Kaya bilib kami sa mga production designers gaya ng mga sumusunod.
For Indie Movie Production Designer of the Year, Jay Custodio, Litrato. Marcy Maulen Fadul, In His Mother's Eyes. Josiah Hiponya, Ang Duyan ng Magiting. Ramil Mandulu Pineda and Zimba Seduki, Ako Si Ninoy. Dante Mendoza, Apag. John Paul Sapitula, Pieta. and Enrico Torralba, Monday first screening. And the star goes to Dante Mendoza for Apay.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Mel Navarro.
Paumahin po, hindi po makakarating si Direk Brillante Mendoza. Pero maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards. Nais ko rin po pasalamatan ang mga mahuhusay naming artista. Pinagmumunahan po ni Direk Coco. Isang Tita Jane, nakilala natin lahat, si Miss Jackie Jose. Maraming salamat po. Sa art department po, kay Mark Robles, Raymond, Paolo, Ken, Mark, at Alice, sa aming producers, Ms. Chris Pahardo, at sa buong Center Stage production family. Muli, magandang gabi at mabuhay po ang PMPC Star Awards.
And was able to take us journeys, time, and space. Let's meet her.
For Movie Production Designer of the Year, Ferdy Abuen, 5 Breakups and a Romance. Mariel Hizo, Malyari. Shari Marie Montiague, Rewind. Erickson Navarro, Gomburza. Buboy Tagayo and Ray Peru, When I Met You in Tokyo. Elfren Vivar, Family of Two. And Kenneth Kevin Villanueva, Firefly. And the star goes to Erickson Navarro for Gomburza.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Evelyn Dion.
Kita pala tayo nilagay sa camera.
Para ho sa PMPC Star Awards, maraming salamat sa inspirasyon na ito. Malaking recognition to para sa aming mga production designers, mula din sa mga indie movie production designers hanggang sa aming mainstream production designers. Maraming salamat to. Lahat ng kulay, texture, tsaka shapes ng pelikulang Gomburza, hindi ho siya mabubuo kung hindi ho sa suporta ng aming producers, ang Jescom at ang Empress. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat din sa aming mabuting direktor, ang aming very cool na direktor, Direk Pepe Jokno, at sa lahat ng artista na bumubuo nito, mula kay Cedric Juan at sa iba pa. And lastly, sa aking mga katuwang sa pagbuo ng production design, sa aming cinematographer, Carlo Mendoza, sa aking costume designer, si Steve Salvador, at sa bumubuo ng Team Erickson. Maraming salamat.
PMPC Star Awards for Movies. We'll be right back.
Sigaw ko naman iPhone. Sigaw ko iPhone. Ha?
Lens.
Sigaw iPhone. Sana naman yung isa ko. may video. Si Oscar ayaw may video. Eh, bakla yung ano mo sa ano.